Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. The halving is done without any problems. We can just see this very characteristic candle on a daily time frame chart. Long down shadow, quite long upper shadow, and very tight body. So it looks like the halving process was made during this very quite increased volatility, maybe not very big volatility, but quite increased volatility. Since then we keep moving higher. So let's just first do some kind of a leveling here for our analysis. First thing is, those levels here were very important, which is why we are marked them as the technical support. So this is the first one. Let me just place the second one, and there you go. 59,259, 59,834. This is the local local demand zone, as you can see, very nicely tested. Now we are going up right now. So where are we heading to? First, let's just take the Fibonacci's. The Fibonacci should be here. There you go. And the last swing is here. This is the last swing. How much did we retrace? That's the question. Let me just play a little bit with this situation here. I think that it will be something between 50 and 61%. So I will remove all of the other technical levels, and let me just do this like that, so we can see that we broke above the level of 50, 66,157. Now we are heading towards 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the last swing down, 67,649. So 50 can be removed because it's broken. So let's get rid of this now. Okay, so 61 is still ahead of us. Fine. Now what is very characteristic to this move is that if this is wave A, this is wave B, and this is wave C, it looks like the length of the wave A and length of the wave C might be similar. So let me just measure this situation here, because if it is similar or very close to similar, then we can see something very characteristics for this. Yes, look at this. Length of the wave A measured from the top of the wave B. So we got A to the downside, B to the upside, C to the downside. Classical corrective cycle is 1-to-1. 59,519, and the low here is 59,837. The miss is less than $100. That's fair enough for me, basically. So ABC corrective pattern. Let me just remove this one because we already know. Let me just place the ABC. So this is what I'm trying to show you guys: A, B, and C. Right, and now what I wanted to do is that show you guys that length of the wave C is equal to 100% of the length of the wave B, wave A. Sorry, measured from the top of the wave B. So the classical situation here, okay, which means this is a 1-to-1 market geometry correction. If this is a simple correction, simple corrective cycle ABC, we should see now movement to the upside. Now, in order to continue to the upside, bulls needs to break above the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. That's obvious. So we need a breakout to the upside here. I will just grab my arrow, and if we got this breakout, the next obvious target is, of course, the high of the wave B. So the high of the wave B is here, 70,480. So this is the high of the wave B, red, because it's technical resistance. And the obvious one is the all-time high, 63,569. So if we get above the 61%, there is a chance to resume the uptrend. all right? But if there is some sort of the situation here at 61% Fibonacci retracement, this very nice pattern here might evolve into more complex, like WZX or something like this, or double zigzag, or it doesn't matter actually what it's going to be. It's going to be complex, time consuming, and it's gonna mess with our chart more than it is right now. So because of the very nice indication here that the ABC correction is 1-to-1, and there is a nice bounce to the upside from the technical support, the previous technical support here, and we are just approaching the 61%, the outlook remains bullish. So I will just change the color for this to green. All right, so the outlook remains bullish, but we need to break above 67,649. Then there is a chance to go to the supply zone and then break to the upside even way higher. If this scenario is invalidated, if there is a rejection of 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, the market will start to evolve into more complex and time-consuming correction on Bitcoin. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye-bye.